I went to a conference all about sunscreen, and here's what I learned. I was recently invited to go to Orlando to attend the sunscreen symposium put on by the Florida Society of Cosmetic Chemists. It's a fairly technical conference with a lot of manufacturers and ingredient suppliers in attendance, but I still got to see so many of my industry friends. But you're here for what new information that we learned, so let's get into it. First, sunscreen powders might no longer be an approved form of sun protection because of insufficient data. But the FDA takes forever for everything, so who knows if it'll actually happen. Personally, I'm a fan of this because I don't know how you apply enough of a powder to actually get the labeled SPF protection. Second, L'Oreal has apparently developed a mineral sunscreen for all skin tones. This was a big shock for me, especially because I was in the presentation and I didn't know about it, and I don't think the person who was presenting knew that I would be there. They did a fairly intensive selection process to find a zinc oxide dispersion that supposedly works well for all skin tones, and they even showed examples of their formula on people with deeper skin tones. It's not on the market yet, but I will absolutely be trying it when it is. Next, a new sunscreen filter is coming to the US in June of 2026. It's called Parsol Shield or bemetrizanol, and it's a broad spectrum photostable chemical UV filter. It is the most popular filter used in literally every other market. It has a long history of safety and low irritation, especially for around the eyes, and the supplier DSM Firmenich has done an incredible amount of work to bring this to the US. And finally, a roundup of the you'll need to relax category. Chemical UV filters are still safe, and all the data showing you that there are not using human models or realistic formulation conditions. Clean and natural remain amorphous terms with no regulatory standing, and reef safety claims are absolute horseshit and nearly impossible to substantiate because coral reefs are extremely complex ecosystems. The moral of the story, wear the damn sunscreen. No matter what kind, your sunscreen is safe. And L'Oreal, I hope your mineral sunscreen actually has no white cast, because we'll be watching!